just the first part of our program because later on we will be starting the second part of our program. So before anything else, can I hear a big round of applause to our audience, from our audience? Ayan. Isang malakas na palakpakan naman po. Yes, our audience are still here, alive and kicking. Good evening, and good evening. Good evening, distinguished guests. This is a night of innovation, style, and Filipino excellence. We proudly open the Philippine Fashion Trends Fashion Show and Awards Season 8. Ladies and gentlemen, welcome to the Philippine Fashion Trends Grand Gala Mega Fashion Show where style meets runway. I am your host, Tueka Wenceslao. So before we move on to the second part of our program, let us call on one of the founders and directors of Philippine Fashion Trends. Let us give him a round of applause, everybody, Mr. Christopher Laysan.